Hey guys, so quick video for you. If your Amazon thermostat is not cooling and you want to fix it, I was looking here on Reddit. What is the thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to help you. I hope so. So I've installed these for heat pumps. They're annoying, but put down the brown wire to V2. Y to A1, assuming you have a single stage. The test it in AC and heat mode. If it's heating in cool and cooling in heat, go into setting and swap the OB. Read the instructions to figure it out. So put the brown wire to V2, and where you're gonna have the brown wire, put it to V2. Maybe this is going to help you. So I hope so. It's going to fix the issue for you. And this is the thing that you want to do. This is something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to help, maybe not. If not, then I'm sorry. I tried to find the solution for you. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day. And have a great day and goodbye.